Here is a truth some lawyers don't like to hear. AI isn't your client's problem, it is yours. AI can review documents, predict case outcomes, and draft contracts faster than any human. Your clients, they are just expecting better service, faster results, and lower costs. The real danger for law firms isn't losing clients, it's falling behind competitors who leverage AI effectively. Firms that adopt AI strategically can streamline operations, cut costs, and deliver smarter services. Those who ignore it risk becoming obsolete. So, if you're a legal professional, don't fear AI. Embrace it as a supercharged assistant, and you will stay ahead of the curve.